In order to connect your smartwatch with the iPhone, you need to follow these steps. So step 1 is to find out the app version of your smartwatch. For that, you need to scan the QR code through your mobile phone. This QR code you can find within the app also. You can find that on the brochure of the smartwatch, and you can also find this QR code onto the box of the smartwatch. So scan that QR code and then open the link. Step 2 is that you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is active, and you need to also grant location access for a seamless setup. So once your companion app is identified, you need to install that app in your mobile phone. Step 4, open the Fit Pro application. Step 5, tap the bind devices to scan. Next, you need to select your watch from the list. On receiving the pop-up message for pairing request, you need to click onto the pair to confirm the Bluetooth pairing. In the next pop-up menu, it will ask you to allow Fit Pro to receive your iPhone notifications. You need to allow that, and then you will get the verification connection status as shown on this screen. You can also verify by checking the time synchronization on your mobile phone and on your smartwatch. And that's it. Your device is now connected.